welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be playing around with the Ace Beauty palette again. So this is the Flare palette. So I've done one other look on my channel already using this palette. I will link it in the eye for you guys, and it turned out really pretty and I really want to play with it again. So I know a lot of people are waiting for the Conspiracy palette, and I don't know if that video is going to be up before this one or not. But I am going out for dinner tonight with a bunch of my friends, and I just don't have time to go through an in-depth tutorial or review on the Conspiracy palette yet. I do have it all here. I have the Jeffree Star concealer, I have the Conspiracy palette, and I have the mini Controversial palette. I just don't have time at the moment to play with this palette yet, because I really want to actually have a couple hours to sit down and actually play with the shadows and figure out how the shadows work and go through a look. I just don't have the time at the moment. I have to leave here in like half an hour, so I'm gonna play with the Ace Beauty palette because there is a look I want to do with this palette that my friend Morgan suggested I do last weekend and I didn't do, so now I'm going to play with it now. So I'm going to be playing around with kind of a purpley smoky look, just because the wig that I'm going to be wearing tonight is that gray wig. If you haven't already seen that one, I will again link the review up in the eye. I want to play around with my gray wig, and then I want to play with these Ace Beauty palettes. I also want to maybe incorporate my mini signals from the brand Ace Beauty. So I really just kind of want to do just an Ace Beauty review. Not even a review because I've already reviewed it, just kind of look. So I already have my eyebrows done and I already have my base on. As for my eyes, my foundation is not on or anything, so I'm just gonna quickly do a look with you guys. This is just gonna be a get ready with me style video. So I'm gonna go into the color, I'm gonna do something I'm gonna go into the color Mulberry, and I'm gonna put that all into my crease. I have a really gorgeous Jeffree Star lipstick that is this color, and that might be the color that I wear tonight. Just maybe. It's this kind of like slate grayish purple color. It's really gorgeous. I think it's called Gargoyle, I'm not too sure. It is really pretty. So now I'm going to cut out the crease very quickly using the ColourPop concealer in the shade Fair 04. And then again, I'm going to go back into the Mulberry color and just smooth out the edges of my cut crease. So now on the outer corner, I'm going to go into the color, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to go into the color Acorn, and I'm just going to smoke that out on the outer corner. So that is like it's kind of an off gray color. And I'm going to go back into a little bit of Mulberry and just blend those two colors together. And on the inner corner, well, the middle portion of the eye, I want to go in with that Aubergine color. Aubergine. Somebody left me a comment on how to actually say it, and I still can't say it very well. So I'm going to put this right on the center of the eye and blend it into that Acorn color. We're going for like a really grungy kind of purpley look. Looks kind of bizarre at the moment, but we'll make it work. And then on the inner corner, I want to go in using my round brush, and I'm going to go into that color, that biscotti color. Just put it right on the center and blend it up into that purple. And I'm just going to fade it into that gray color a little bit more so that the blend is a little bit more even. So I'm going to quickly go in and I'm going to clean up this eye and do the exact same thing on the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have both of the eyes on, I think I want to add a little splash of sparkle right in the center. So I am going to go in with my color Mirage, and I'm going to add that right on the center. So I'm coating my brush in it, and then I'm going to go in with the All Nighter setting spray. And I am going to apply it right on the center. think it's a really pretty color, and it just kind of brightens that little bit of pink that we added in the center. Just because I found that the Aubergine or Abergine or whatever color, whatever it's called, it was kind of muddled. It wasn't very bright, and I wanted it to be a little bit, the color in the center to be a little bit more intense. So that's why I'm going in with this color. I think it's just a really pretty pop of color. I'm going to quickly finish this eye off camera. I'm going to do my full face of makeup, so my foundation and all that stuff, because nothing's changed, and then I will come back to finish the under eyes with you guys. Okay, so now that I have the full face of makeup on, it's time to finish up the under eyes. So I am going to go back into the Ace Beauty palette, and we are going to go into the color, holy shit, almost dropped it. We are going to go into the color Saffron, and we are going to sweep that underneath the eye. And then right in the center of Saffron, we're going to go into the color Firefly, and we're just going to put that right in the center. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. And then right on the lower lashes, I'm going to go in with the Big Ego by Tarte. I really don't like this mascara that much, but I want to use it because I don't want to open a new one until this one is done. And then right on the waterline, I'm just going to go in and tightline with just a black eyeliner. And I think that is the finished eye look. So I'm not the biggest fan of the Abergine color. I really didn't like it that much, but we ended up making it look a little bit nicer using that Mirage color, but the Abergine color, I don't know, I just really didn't like it that much. But this look did turn out really pretty. I'm really liking that pop of inner corner highlight that I put in here, the Biscotti color, and I sweeped it up. I'm really liking that, but this definitely isn't my most favorite look. I think my favorite looks are probably the green ones that I always end up doing, but this one is still really pretty. I like the under eye pop of color. I think that's really gorgeous. But all in all, this palette worked pretty well. I didn't end up using the mini singles that I have just because I didn't need them, but maybe I'll use them in another video to come. If you guys are excited for the Conspiracy palette, please leave a comment down below. Give me some ideas of what you guys want to see with that palette. If you guys want to have a specific look in mind that you guys want me to do, please let me know, and I'm very excited to play with it. I just honestly haven't had time. So I'm going to quickly go throw on my wig and my outfit, probably do the intro, and get ready to go, because I have to leave in 10 minutes. So this is the finished look once everything is done, and I have my outfit on, and I am fully ready to go. So my outfit's really cute. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys on camera, but I will insert a photo here of what it looks like. It's really cute. My space that I film in is just really small, so it would be really hard for me to actually show you guys what I'm wearing. But it's a cute dress, and I'm very excited to go to my girlfriend's 25th birthday. So I am headed out of the door. Oh my god. I have a cut on the inside of my nose, and it hurts so bad. And it's like peeling. Oh, worst. So I'm headed out the door right now to drive to the city and go for dinner with my girlfriends. And I'm very, very excited, and I really love this wig, but I wore this wig to a haunted house a couple weeks ago, back in October, and there was fires outside to keep us warm in the line because the line was 2 hours, and my wig kind of smells like campfire right now, and I don't really like the scent of it. So I coated it in berry perfume, and now it's overpoweringly strong with berries. But this is the finished look. I'll zoom you guys out. It looks really pretty. I'm really still impressed with this palette. I'm really loving this palette. This one is absolutely perfect, and this one is god-awful, so that is normal for me. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye!